got 7 minutes on my video. Hey, windy as F. We got a fire going on though. I'm wet. It was raining earlier. It's supposed to be raining all weekend. Easter weekend. We're camping. Oh, it's crazy out here right now. Crazy out here right now. What? What happened? Alright. A couple years ago, when we went camping, I had this video of me singing. So I'm gonna do it again. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
You like heaven to touch.
You're like just heaven's to touch.
I wanna hold you so much.
I wanna hold you so much.
And love has arrived.
And long last love has arrived.
And I thank God I'm alive.
And I thank God I'm alive.
You're just too good to be true.
You're just too good to be true.
It's full as fuck, I'm going to.
Head cold as fuck. Let's get back to our tent. Here we go, here we go.
I love you, baby. And it's
Quite alright,
I need you, baby.
baby. Can't be. Man, do you? How do you feel about the cold?
It's not bad.
It's not bad?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We have the ninja mask on right now. Ninja mask. We're looking like ninjas in the night. We out here. It's kind of cold, but it's a lot better today than it was yesterday. Yesterday was super duper cold. I think yesterday it's like in the 60s and it was raining. Today's still in the 60s, but as you can see, we got some clear skies today, so it's a lot better. There's a little lake right here. Some little, yes sir. One more day out here. We had this little heater inside our tent. Kind of works. It does its job, you know. All right, I'll let y'all in a bit. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Great time to go for a walk. The other babies sleep in a tent.
Oh, on scene right here.
Look at how nice it is over there today. You're beautiful.
I was thinking that too, Dad.
For real?
It is true. When I saw your face in a crowded place.
Good morning, good morning. Last day, day number 3 out here camping. About 8:30 in the morning right now. Starting to get all the things packed up, ready to go. So that later on, got worried about it too much, but look at this beautiful morning. Some of the kids went out to the lake yesterday. They knew it was cold, they said. But I mean, it's still March, so I imagine it hasn't had a chance to warm up yet. But one of these days, you come out here in the summer, it's probably beautiful. Crazy. The cleanup has begun. Going back to the city in a couple hours, but we're gonna do some Easter activities first. We still got one baby in there sleeping, but we're clearing it all out, getting nice and cleaned up. It's been a cool trip, you know. Cool trip. Got really faded. The first night, last night, took a couple shots, and I was like, nah, I ain't doing that again. But see how it goes. Hi, Mamu. Yeah, cleanup has begun though. It's a nice day today. I actually had to take off my sweater. It's right there because we're moving and grooving, cleaning up. I got hot. Yep, ready for a real shower though. Not one of these fake camp, what do you call it? Camping showers.
Your turn. You gotta do.
We're going on an egg hunt. Egg hunt.
There you ain't getting no bimbo.
Okay, ready? Egg hunt. Egg hunt. Sure.
In here, in the grass.
In the grass, in the grass. I can't find them more. You get it, get it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. SJ, keep looking over here. Keep looking.
Look under the tree. It's under the tree.
Look down, look down.
Oh, SJ. Look down, look down. SJ.
Hey.
Oh, wait.
2 for 1.
Dang.
There's a lot here. Oh my gosh.
SJ. SJ.
There's a lot. It's under the grass.
Come on, Jill.
Tall grass.
Oh, I see one. You walked past it again. Look. SJ. Go. Oh, a lot. Look over there. Go. Hurry. Fast. Egg hunting. How many eggs did you get, SJ? You got a lot of eggs? Whoa! SJ's never rode a scooter before, but he got it down pretty good now. It's been about 30 minutes. He's getting it. I don't know why we never got him a scooter before. This one doesn't turn though, so he has to just stop and turn it. But he's liking it now. I'm gonna go get him a scooter real soon. Cookie Monsters. Sharing a box of cookies. Good cookies?
Hmm?
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Last day, right before we leave, the kids want to get wet and muddy. The other one's in the back playing a football game. Hey, forget it, last day, gotta have memories.